Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 4. 죄송합니다, which means I'm sorry in Korean. The word 죄송합니다 could be seen as the combination of 죄송 and 합니다. The word 죄송 means being sorry or apology, while 합니다 means I do or I am. So when we say 죄송합니다, it's the same as saying I'm sorry for what I did, or simply just I'm sorry. How do we write 죄송합니다 in Hangul? The first syllable 죄 is formed from the combination of a jiut and a we sound. And take note that the we sound is formed from the combination of an o and e character. The second syllable song is formed from the combination of a siot, an o, and an iyang character. The third syllable ham is formed from the combination of a hiyo, a, and biup character. But take note that since this biup character is followed by an iyan character, this is pronounced as ham instead of hap. Fourth syllable ni is formed from the combination of an iyan and e character, and da is formed with a dikkat and a. That's 죄송합니다. Now, we need to take note that the word 죄송합니다 is used to say sorry for what I did. It is not used to say sorry or I feel bad with what happened to someone. Again, this word is used only to say sorry for what you did. Also remember that the term 죄송합니다 is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. And with that, you've just learned 죄송합니다. Now let's proceed to our word recap. The first word we discussed is Annyeong Haseyo. This is a polite way of saying hello. The second word discussed is Annyeong Hasimnikka, and this is a formal way of saying hello. Word number 3 is 감사합니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. And the latest word we've discussed is 죄송합니다, which is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to discuss word number 5, Jeogiyo. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.